बस को इंट्रोड्यूस करें वीडियो में आप
ओके जी, शुरू के सदर से टाइम नहीं मिल रहा है।
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Muhammad Zaid. Our group member is Rehmat Ali, Saqib Shah, and Kosai. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I will start the topic. Next. Our contents are introduction, literature review, problem statement, aims and objective methodology. Introduction. First, we will introduce the dam. Dam is the hydraulic structure which stores the water, which is used for hydropower generation and for irrigation purposes through canals. Earth dam are those dams which is made by compacting the soil. There is two type of earth dam. One is homogeneous earth dam and other is heterogeneous earth dam. We make homogeneous earth dam in those areas where we can find the impervious material easily. So this is the homogeneous dam, which is made up of impervious material. If the material is more impervious, so still there is seepage in the soil, due to which there is a poor water pressure at the exit point of the dam. Therefore, we provide the due to poor water pressure, the soil will escape from the exit point. Therefore, we provide here the dreams, blanket dreams here, which is used for to channel the flow of the water. So another type of dam is zone dam. Zone dam are made in those areas where there is a lack of availability of impervious material. So there we provide zone dam. This is the zone dam. There are three type of zones. Three zones here in this dam. One zone is permeous region, which is called shell, and the impermeous region is called core. And the semi-permeous material is used here. So core is used to prevent the seepage in the dam, and the shell, which is made up of impermeous material, is used to stabilize the dam. And these impermeous material, which is called filters, these are used to prevent the migration of material through each other. So we provide in zone dam the protective layers. Next. These protective layers are provided due to high rains. There is corrosion in the upstream, and due to wavy action in the inner side, there is corrosion. So therefore we provide the protective layers here. So this is from my side, and I invite Mr. Kosai to present.
Historical background of Tanda Dam. The Tanda Dam is constructed in 1967 September. This located distance between 10 kilometers to West Kohat town. Okay. The project was initially investigated and executed by WAPDA. It's Water and Power Development of Pakistan. And later it was transferred to Irrigation Department in September 1968. The existing dam has maximum 35 meter height, 35 meter, and the length it was 713.23 meter with top 531.87 meter, and the maximum storage level it was 527.30 meter, which receiver it was capacity 96.11.21 MCB. And Tanda Dam, it was zoned embankment dam. It constant take up upstream in the recent core material, and the shell material separated by sloping filter, and sloping filter is connected with horizontal blanket with the blanket filter, which further do it's downstream to drain. And that's my side. now we will start.
My name is Natali and I will present the topic literature review and problem statement and objectives. Let's start with the literature review. Several studies have been conducted to alert the phase of slope stability and seismic analysis of dams around the world. Here we have present some of the cases. The first case is Yakamba Dam at Dam, which is present located in the Karak region. It is a zone dam which contains core, shell and filters. Its height is 32 meters and there was analyzed by GeoStudio software, slope stability, seepage and earthquake. And the following results were drawn. The dam is safe against fighting failure, slope failure. The next example is seepage. This is a Walter Dam which is located in USA. And the
Next
seepage-
slide.
Next slide is the next topic is the problem statement. The problem we have to study is the study for increasing storage capacity and improvement in command area of the Tanda Dam. Because the cell transport from river has decreased the capacity of Tanda Dam, and due to which the irrigation of water is less available to irrigated land. That's why it is therefore proposed to rise the dam. The basic aim objective is to analyze the dam for proposed rise condition, and the analysis includes seepage analysis for proposed height using CW software, CW tools of software, and slope stability analysis using slope W tools of GeoStudio software, and earthquake analysis of Tanda Dam for proposed height condition using FW tools of GeoStudio software, and the last analysis is foundation settlement of Tanda Dam using same materials tools of GeoStudio software. This is the GeoStudio which we will work of the dam, which is next. Now I want to invite Mr. Sakib to proceed.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Mohammad Saqib Shah and I'll continue the presentation from here. So the methodology which we followed in this project so far includes the data collection and the collection of drawings from the authorities. Then we redrew the drawings which are used in our project in AutoCAD and exported them into GeoStudio to create the models. The different dimensions of the dam is required for the modeling is obtained from the cross-sectional build drawing, which then are drawn in the AutoCAD. Next. The seepage analysis was the first analysis which we were going to do. The impounding water that seeps through the dam body and foundation because of the hydraulic gradient. This causes serious piping and shear strength failure issues in the dam. So the SLEEP utilizes numerical modeling to simulate the flow of water. It is based on the finite element method which we use. We basically have two methods to analyze. The one is steady state analysis, in which pressure condition and the total head remains constant. The second is transient analysis, in which the pressure and the total head changes with time. Next slide. The steps that involved in the modeling and analysis are as follows. First, we create the model geometry. Then we define the material in the software and assign the material to each and every zone. Then we define and assign the boundary conditions, run the analysis and analyze the results. The first step was to create the model geometry. So as I mentioned earlier, we drew the 2D cross-section in AutoCAD and then imported it to GeoStudio for the seepage analysis. The model geometry can also be created by putting the coordinates of the dam into the GeoStudio software. Different polygons in the models represents different zones in the dam, which will later be assigned. We will assign them different properties, material properties, and boundary conditions. This is the model which we have created in GeoStudio. This is a screenshot of it. We can run it in GeoStudio. These are the references, sir, in APA format 7th edition, which we have used in our progress report so far.